I'm sitting here with Jay from the Rival Sons, and first of all, I think you have to introduce yourself, or like the Rival Sons, but explain where you're from, because people in Luxembourg sadly don't know your band that well yet.
Yeah, no, that's fine. Yeah, my name is Jay Buchanan, and I sing for the Rival Sons. We're a rock and roll band from Long Beach, California, just outside of Los Angeles. We're here in Luxembourg, playing a festival. Music is a constant thing. It is happening all of the time. And you know, people like us, we have the good fortune. Our livelihood is built around capturing that energy constantly, and that's what we do. Is we get to be part of that beauty, that very human experience. And for me, there's no higher calling in the world than music. You know, it's the best.
Pressure and Time, like it's your current album. You've been touring with it now for how long?
Oh gosh, we've been touring since last July, so almost a year.
Okay.
Or yeah, right about a year now.
And Pressure and Time kind of, I don't know, would you call it the breakthrough for the Rival Sons, or kind of? But it's the first time I heard of you guys is when I went to my local CD shop in town and asked like the guy inside. I asked him like, "Do you have any new good stuff? You know, people bought recently?" And he gave me 4 CDs, and I said I listened like to skip tracks through it, and then I listened to the thing. I was like, It's kind of something, you know, the sound of the Sons. It sounds familiar, but still different and new. And I was like, okay, I'm gonna get this. And yeah. So where was I going to go? I lost my.
I can tell you, first of all, thank you to people like the merchant that you went to at the music shop, that is helping to propel us. You know, because when you can get an endorsement, when people, you know, record stores used to be, you know, and they still are to a lot of people. You go to the record store, and it's like church. Yeah. You know, and you go there, and you want to talk to someone, and you say, "Oh man, what? I haven't heard anything. I need something new." And so every time that somebody does that for us, and they say, "Oh," they give that endorsement, "You should listen to the Rival Sons." It propagates, you know, further activity. Next thing you know, now here I am. I'm talking with you. I have a new friend. The label that put the record out is Earache Records. That's a metal label. Yeah, it is. And it's been very interesting for me. We tour with Judas Priest, you know, and Queensryche and Evanescence. Like, we play with all of these different bands. We play these metal festivals. It seems like it's an odd pairing for us, but that's on one hand. The metal world is still very new to me. That's not something that I've grown up listening to, and it's very interesting that when you go and you meet these metalheads. They're the nicest people. They're so good. They're such nice people, and you think, you know, that they would be very dark and like, no, they're the sweetest people. Yeah. So it's been an education for me to be introduced into this world. When the Evanescence, when Amy Lee, she specifically asked us to tour with her, and at first we thought, oh man, why would we tour with Evanescence? That doesn't even make sense, you know. But when we heard that it was Amy Lee specifically going, please get the Rival Sons, we thought, you know what, that's a personal thing. Let's do this, you know. And they ended up being one of our favorite bands to tour with. The music is very, very different, but that band, you know, their entire crew, everyone, we became really, really good friends with them very quickly. And you would, you know, without being thrown into that situation, how would you ever know? Yeah, how would you ever make those friends?
You can never know, yeah.
Yeah. True. Now it's like I can call any of those people up. Amy, talk to anybody. How are things going? When we made this record last year, well, we were this band, but we've been playing for an entire year, and so with this new record, it's the same thing, but we're a different band. We've changed, you know, but we're still the same. But this is, you know, anytime you go in to make an album, all you're doing is you're getting a snapshot, just a photo in a frame of who the band is at that specific time. And so we just took another picture with this new record. And I know that there are a lot of things that are different. This record is 30 minutes long. The new record is an hour long. So
double difference.
Yeah. So it's like, you know, we just stretched out creatively.
In that year, in these 2 years, you wrote a new album. Where did you write most of the songs? On tour, in the studio?
No. We wrote when we did the Pressure and Time record, we wrote the whole thing in like 2.5 weeks, or wrote it and recorded it that way. Every time, when you go to record the song, you're getting the first or the second take, and that's it. That way it remains fresh,
It's instant.
It's an instant thing, and hopefully, when someone buys a record, a Rival Sons record, and they listen to it for the first time, they're hearing the sound of us play it for the first time. So it's a very, we're attempting to make a very honest production of that. And this new record we did the exact same way. We went into a studio, Honey Pie Studios in Nashville, and we recorded the record, wrote it, recorded it, and just under 3 weeks, and did the whole thing same way. And so it's a lot of stress, it's a lot of pressure on you.
For the new record, you worked with 2 Grammy-nominated, one producer and one engineer. How much did they influence, I don't know, the sound probably of the new Sons album?
I think, we've done every record with Dave Cobb. The way that he works, the reason that we go to him over and over is he understands who we are. He knows exactly what we're trying to do. He knows what we sound like, and he doesn't meddle too much. He just says, you guys be you. He's very keen on just letting us be ourselves and purvey our own style, hopefully. And so that's with David. And then working with Vance Powell was a pleasure. Vance is just, he's the engineer. So he's just there, he's very stoic and he's very quiet, and he's kind of the fly on the wall, helping us to sound good. We're going to be coming back, I'm pretty sure. I don't know if Luxembourg is on the map for us, but we'll be coming back to support this next record in probably September, November, somewhere in there. But we'll absolutely be coming back. That seems to be the trend. Our booking agent and our team keeps putting us in all of these varied areas all over the place, and so we're making new friends and building relationships, and as a byproduct of that, very fortunately, the fan base grows, so we're very fortunate that way.